The sunlight pours through the canyon's cracks. A rusty truck rolls with the wind at its back.
Hello friends, welcome back again to our 55 BTC game platform. In this short video, I want to show you how to make withdrawal. You see, it's not just about joining. You need to learn how to deposit, how to make the withdrawals. So that's what this video is all about, how to make withdrawals from this system. I'm going to give you a practical video guide right now as I do one. Now, the first you do, go to the me page. That's the last page here. So click on your balance. Now you can see the balance here. You can see it. So I just want to let me withdraw this. So I'm going to click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, see what the system will tell you. Say, to ensure the safety of your funds, please set the fund password first. So the first thing we're going to do is to set the fund password. Very important. As you see that, you click on that confirm. So when you click on confirm, then the system wants you to put the fund password. You confirm it too. Now pay attention, the fund password should be anything from 6 digits, numbers, not letters. Now once you put it, you click on save. Set successfully. See, save successfully. Now at this moment I can quickly put withdrawal. Now you click on withdraw. Now the system wants you to put the USDT TRC20 address. Okay, that's what we are going to choose. So let's put this. I choose it, withdraw amount, or you put your fund password. Wallet address should be here. Now when you click on wallet address, the system wants you, before now it's supposed to have set it up. So since it's not yet set up, I click on this plus sign here. I set it up. So I put my wallet address here. I paste it. This is what I copied. And then you can put remark. Then I put your fund password. I've just put that and I've confirmed it. So when I click here, I can pick it. It's already here now. I put my withdrawal amount. Then I will now still put my fund password. Now look at what the fee will be, and because it's a fee, look at what I put here. So this is the fee, then this is what you're going to receive. So I put my fund password. This is something you hid. Please, your fund password, don't allow anyone to see. That's why you see me, I'm going to hide it whenever I want to put it. I now click on withdraw. Let's watch. Success. The system has written success. Now the question is, how long will it take? Now, but let's go back and check everything here. If you now go back to this balance, you're not going to see anything. Now, I'm going to wait and see how long it's taking. Once it drops in, I will still share the short video on this so that you'll be very good. But this is exactly how to go about it when it comes to, making withdrawal from 55 BTC crypto gaming. If you want to know what it's all about, please. You can still watch our previous video on this and know how to be part of this. Just simply sign up, very easy. Choose any package you want. Start as little as $2 at level 2. You can start. There are different games to play. I showed an example of how to play one of the games here. It's a very easy game. You can play and in so maximally. So when you join this, you play the games. If you are good at playing card games and so many of those games, high-low game, you can win so crazy and you make your withdrawals so instantly. This is exactly how this stuff works. Very seamless, very simple. So I'm going to stop at this point. I want to encourage you, join this game. You can see the sign up button on this video description. Sign up with it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it makes sense. Please, if you are new to our channel, subscribe, because I'm going to bring more updates, everything about this system. All the different games. I'm going to show you an example of how to play each game, because each of the games have their own rules. If you fail on the rules, you can lose your account. So each game I will play them, show you the rules, then the show of how to register, how to deposit, how to withdraw, everything. That's why you need to follow us and get updates on each and every part of this game system. And if you have a special question, please use the comment box can reach us directly on our WhatsApp handle. We'll answer all your questions. I wish to stop you at this moment. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.